are you doing?
What's that, a carrot?
Carrot and pepper.
Huh?
Carrot and pepper. Your spoons. What if you're drinking milk? What if you're drinking milk?
Then he'll swim around in your milk.
You can't even see it.
Yeah, you can.
No. What are you doing? Stop filming. Stop filming. No. Stop being so dramatic.
It's Cartman from South Park. It is.
I would be down for you to get this though. This is cute.
I'll get it if you get it for me. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. I will never understand that store, but it was fun to look around with you.
So what's the name of the place?
Indo something, I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's not Indomie.
It's not Indomie.
Can you look it up? My
Yeah.
phone is
Mind what?
do the Google Maps navigating.
Oh, because your phone's dead?
It's almost dying.
Yeah, I can navigate. I can get us there, but I don't need Google Maps.
New fragrance release. It was a very long line.
How did it smell?
No, I didn't smell. I think you have to wait in line to smell it.
Oh.
No.
They didn't spray any on the card?
Oh, you get no, they did not. Oh, you get a complimentary gift with this card.
Oh, that's why they were waiting.
Too bad, I missed it. Designed for
It's so cold.
yeah. You feel cold?
Not now, but earlier today I did. Huh? Nothing. Oh yeah, have you had that place? Me neither. Angelo's! Wow, it is beautiful today. Ooh, that's a tall building. Where are we?
57 and Broadway. What?
We're on Broadway?
Yeah.
Huh?
No.
Okay, I can get it. Very pretty today.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. The hell is that shit? Well, at least now you can say that we went to Central Park for your birthday.
We didn't even go in.
Huh?
We didn't even go in.
This counts. This counts.
It's just at the roundabout.
It's not a roundabout. It's a circle. Is that a roundabout?
Yeah.
I don't know what a roundabout is. I'm American. I think Lincoln Center would have been closer, right?
Where is the spot?
Yeah. I like it. hope they have ice cream.
Do they still have it?
I don't know.
I need to have it.
Me too. Here you go.
Do they have like sports cups? Do they have a knife? Where do you want to get it?
I don't know, wherever you want.
I'm not that hungry.
I want Ikea food. What did you think of the babka?
What's good? What's good? Look at y'all have only 8% left.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Snowing in the summer.
Travel to Grand Central. Connection is available to the Port Authority bus terminal.
From the doors.
Your phone is too big. Did you bring her tonight?
Hedge. Huh?
Irritable.
Me? It's because I only got 4 hours of sleep last night. Huh? Because I was tired. Ooh, lingonberry.
Let's go. I don't think I can live vegan.
Me neither.
You can live without dairy.
Same. Well, it's been my opinion that IKEA food is hit or miss. And I think today we're batting 0. We missed this one, huh? He was nice.
Oh, no. It's a first aid kit?
Like, look like he's sitting on me like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, he is sitting on you. What about the monkeys? Wow, you're the king of the jungle, Bean.
I'm not.
I felt about getting
That wallpaper?
the chest of Wait.
This is the best thing I've ever found at IKEA. Are you ready to go? Because I already have everything I need. I got chick hicks. I don't think you're supposed to eat those. It's a picture of downtown LA. They thought they could fool us. They thought they could trick us, but it's... I know. I can always tell. Bills, bro. Come on. Gribble. Oh, I need one of those. I need a wooden spoon.
Yeah.
Do you think I have enough of these?
You only need one of them.
No, I need 2 minimum. I literally have an MTA oven mitt.
So smooth.
I need like cooking gloves. These are like dishwashing gloves, huh? I need like...
Why do you need cooking gloves? Why do you need...
so I don't stain my hands with turmeric.
We're looking for a nice car.
This is what our apartment looks like if we were in a sitcom.
Oh. Yeah.
I can't believe I'm still unemployed and I've been looking for a job for 8 months. I can't even afford this apartment anymore. Well, maybe for a couple more seasons. We're gonna have to move. Okay, we're gonna have to downsize. This is our new kitchen.
Yeah. We won't be having a kitchen, like a kitchen island in here. Because there's
No kitchen
place.
island? Ooh, what about this one? It looks pretty affordable. Huh. For this kitchen combination, it's only $169 a month.
There are people hiding in here. You can be aware.
It's a Trojan horse?
Yeah.
Is that?
Yes.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying. There's a cutting board.
It's a dollar horse. I need a dollar, that's what I need. Hey, that was pretty good, right? I just came up with that on the spot. Please stand by for further instructions. No, you have to make a pun. You have to make a pun.
No.
I'm undating you after that one. Don't get me started, Bean.
Stop doing it.
Wakanda forever.
Yeah, for spaghetti.
Oh.
My friend used to use this.
Hey, Bean, put a cork in it.
This is surprisingly comfortable, baby.
Doesn't look that comfortable.
It is $85.
Let's see how comfortable it really is.
Right?
You know what? It won't work with my backpack on. No, I don't think it's that comfortable.
It is.
No, it doesn't really provide the lumbar support that I need.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Come on. How are we still on the same floor? This place is huge. The chairs?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've been wanting to try this chair. You really
How is
need
it?
the cushion.
Oh, yeah, it looks
Yeah.
like without it would be...
Straight. It's okay,
Oh.
but it's still more comfortable with the cushion. And it's already $100. This is a cute cabinet. A yellow one. I could stack them together.
It doesn't even open?
It does, it should open.
How am I supposed to get a free sample?
No, I baked it for you. I just got stuck.
Try running it under some water.
Oh, baby, I haven't put the flowers in.
I don't think you'll be able to move those flowers.
Your kitchen again.
Oh, that's my kitchen?
Yeah.
Don't I get to use this one?
No. You need a kiss before you can use the real
Oh,
one.
okay. Dean, I'm getting bored. My enthusiasm is running low. Wait, I actually like this one. If the price was halved. I would get the neutral one.
Really?
Yeah.
But I'm using like a white oak stool as a nightstand.
So? It'll
Would it
match.
be too white?
No.
No? Okay. See, everything is white. Everything is white.
It's Ikea. What do you expect? Everything here is white. Look around.
No.
Oh, name, fucking name.
The fuck is this?
What's your language?
Oh, finally. I thought we're lost.
Me too. This place is giving me the creeps. Let's just go back to Irvine. Or wait, where are we again? I want to try the Lincolnberry wine. Hey, where are you going? Look over here. Yeah, a little Ewok.
Are you sure?
This is the exit. Isn't this where the exit is?
Oh, so much warmer.
I feel like we got a lot done today, kind of.
My bag? My bag? You want?
Oh yeah, you can take whatever. I'll take the white one. Or what do you want to carry?
Sweaters.
Are you calling me fat?
It's very warm.
This is actually a double XL if I'm not mistaken. But Abercrombie runs small.
We can wear together.
I doubt that very much. Nah.
You can wear one.
I don't think it would fit. Wear one sleeve each?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
You want that?
No.
Sure.
Yeah,
Not cold.
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah. Nice out. No, it's like 67 degrees. So. That's a blood moon. It's a bad omen.
Just scientific.
What? No, that means it's cursed.
The moon is cursed?
Yeah. Don't you know the story of the blood moon?
No, I don't hear it.
Oh, sorry. Every night there's a red moon like that. At midnight. The monsters come. Alright. Coming in?
But you look good. Smoking it for 80 years and then stop.